game. We're gonna get some drinks.
Yeah, we have a vending machine in our house. Look at that. What do you want to drink, Ryan?
I want some water.
Okay. So water is 75 cents. Oh. See the sound?
That must mean there's a lot of coins in here.
Oh, came out.
Some water!
Oh, that's so cool. It's tiny.
Your turn, Daddy.
All right.
So good.
Ah!
Oh no, sorry, Daddy.
Let's see if it's still working. Oh no, it's not working. It's broken, Ryan.
Oh no!
I have an idea. How about we go to shopping and buy the new one?
Okay, let's go. Mommy!
What is it, Ryan?
I need a new vending machine.
Why don't you look around? Maybe something you'll like here.
I don't see any vending machine here.
I have an idea. What about these power tools? You can use it to fix your vending machine. And it will be $5, please.
I don't have $5.
Oh no, you don't have $5? Well, maybe you can find some work to do around the house to get some money, and then you can come back.
Okay, bye.
I'm doing some yard work. It's a lot of work.
Hey, Daddy, can I mow the lawn for some money?
Ryan, that would be a big help. Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Man, this is a lot harder than I thought. Huh? Huh? There's bees! Ah!
This is so relaxing.
Daddy, yard work's done.
Thank you, Ryan. Good job. Here's the $1 for you. Thank you.
$1? I need $5. What should I do, Daddy?
Well, Ryan, you can do more yard work. How about water some plants?
Okay. This is kind of fun. Wait a minute. Ah, it's raining! Hurry, don't forget. Stop. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, Daddy, I'm done watering the plants.
Good job, Ryan. Here's another $1.
That still isn't enough.
Well, I have an idea, Ryan. How about you use this gem detector and find some gems?
Okay, I love finding gems. There's something here. It's getting closer. I found a gem! Yay! Now let's go give it to Daddy. Daddy, look what I found.
Whoa! Very cool. Maybe you can find me more.
Okay. It's getting closer again. Oh, right there! I found it! I got another one! I found another one! Whoa! Now let's go give them to Daddy. Here you go, Daddy.
Wow, very cool, Ryan. How about you trade this in and see if you can trade it in with the your power tools?
Okay, now let's go get the power tools.
Well, Ryan's taking a long time. Hopefully he gets...
Mommy, I'm here.
Hi, Ryan. Did you get enough money? $5?
I have this, 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 and this, and this.
So many gems. These are a lot more than $5. So you can keep the power tools, and you should keep 2 of these gems.
Okay.
Maybe you can use it for next time, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Good luck.
Okay, now let's fix the vending machine. Then here. Here. And here. Now this one. And then the other side. Yay, it's fixed! Daddy, I fixed it!
Finally, I can get my drinks. What was I going to order? Oh, orange juice. So press the button. It's the $1.
I got it for free.
Here we go. Ah, it worked. Look at that. Oh, it looks so yummy. It's very good. Now I'm not thirsty anymore.
You guys ready to try it?
Yeah.
So which one do you want?
Got it.
Water? Okay, press this button for water. Okay, whoa, now you put 3 inside. 1, 2, yeah, one more. There you go. 3.
Mommy. Whoa.
Yeah, you got water, Emma. Okay, Kate, which one do you want?
I'm loving juice.
Orange juice?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, press this button for orange juice.
Okay.
1, 2,
Uh-huh.
3.
More money.
You have one more money?
A freaking now. I want.
Wow, good job, Kate.
Dada.
Orange juice.
Dada.
Okay, press.
Whoa, what I got?
You got juice.
Mommy, you got Coke?
Yeah, I get Coke, thank you. Okay, now press this button here.
Mommy,
Wow, Coke. Yeah, Kate.
go.
Thank you, Kate. I got Coke.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.
And stay healthy.
Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Joy and more fun.